Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Binance app Play Store not download pending problem. So the first thing you should do is you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi or let's just say mobile data and see if the issue persists. Now, the next thing to do here is to pause other downloads. So, if multiple downloads are queued, prioritize the Binance application by pausing other downloads. What you're going to do is you have to navigate to your Google Play Store if you're using Android. And if you're using your iPhone, then you have to go to your App Store. So, tap this one right here, go to Play Store, and then go to My Apps or My Apps and Games, and then try to go to the download section. If you see any download application or downloading application right here, what you're going to do is you have to pause it. Now, next thing to do is clear Play Store and cache data. So what you're going to do is you have to go and then long press your Binance, go to app info, and then go to storage usage. Now here what you're going to do is you have to click clear cache and clear data if possible. Also, another thing is that you can also solve this problem by restarting your phone. So what you're going to do here is you just have to basically restart your device. Another thing is that go and update your Binance on your Play Store or App Store. What you're going to do here is open your Play Store. You have to go to the search icon, and then this time you have to search for Binance, and then make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. If you see the update button, you have to click update. Also, another thing is that you can just basically uninstall this application, long press uninstall, go back to your Play Store, and then reinstall it again. Now, if these things didn't work, then the last thing you should do is you have to contact Binance support. What you're going to do here is you have to go and open your browser, and then you go to the search bar, and then this time you have to look for contact Binance. Here you will see different options such as live chat, FAQ, customer support. So all you have to do is to ask them as a help. They will send you a message or they will just message you right away. So that's how to fix Binance application Play Store, not download pending problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.